Hello guys and welcome to another The DIY Workshop tutorial. In this short episode we are going to show you how to replace the parking sensors buzzer on a 2015 Nissan Qashqai. If you like our tutorials, don't forget to hit the like button to reward our effort. First of all, we used a diagnostic tool to find out why the parking sensor system wasn't working properly. We entered the parking distance control module and obviously there was a problem with the rear buzzer, so we will replace it with a new one. So this is the new buzzer. To replace the old one, we had to get this plastic trim out. This is very easy to do. First, take out this part of the weather strip in the trunk. Use a trim remover tool to take out those plastic clips. Take out the trunk light. The buzzer is located right over there. Take out a part of the weather strip from the left passenger door. Remove this metal clip and pull the trim to release the clips in this area. Now you just have to pull the whole trim downwards. Now you have access to the buzzer. Take out the connector and use the trim remover to take out the clips. Keep the clips from the old buzzer and attach them to the new one. Insert the connector into the new buzzer. Check if the buzzer works before putting everything back in place, delete the fault code and you are done. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for free, like or leave a comment. Until next time, we wish you all the best and remember, the DIY Workshop saves money. Bye bye!